Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamno. Today I'm going to be reviewing Walgreens Clear Zinc Sunscreen in SPF 50. If this is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. So I'm on Walgreens website now. The description is so short and brief. So the Walgreens Clear Zinc SPF 50 lotion claims to go on clear on the skin and is water resistant for up to 18 minutes. That's basically all. And because you're wearing sunscreen doesn't mean you're entirely covered. Make sure you wear long sleeve shirts, hats, and even sunglasses, and also wear some SPF on your lips. Okay? So the ingredient list is one of the shortest I've seen on the sunscreen since I have been reviewing sunscreens. Anyway, the active ingredients are octocrylene at 4%, zinc oxide at 5%. The inactive ingredients are vitamin E and aloe vera. This is going to be the second mineral sunscreen I'm going to be reviewing on this channel. If you haven't seen the first mineral sunscreen, just click the link right here on the screen and it takes you there. So we're going to put this sunscreen to a test. Let's do it now. So I'm going to do the 3-finger method. So, okay, first of all, this sunscreen is not too thick, not too runny. So this is more than 3-finger method. I'm going to be honest, but we're going to make it work. I still have more here. But I've learned that for mineral sunscreen, you have to warm it with your palms, but I don't want to do that. Walgreens, I was rooting for you. Please don't disappoint me. I'm still gonna keep blending. Looks like it's changing. I still have more, don't forget. I just want this one to blend in first. Okay, something's happening. I just want to apply the remaining now. For this one, I'm going to warm it in my palm so that it's a lot more, good for me. Don't forget your ears, back of your neck. This works like goes clear. This would be amazing. Okay. Okay, so let's give it 15 minutes. I know some people are going to say, oh, because you applied more than 3-finger method, but if something claims to go clear, you should go clear, okay? There's nothing like too much sunscreen, okay? Nothing like that. But there's something like too little sunscreen. I think I'm going to redo this sunscreen again. And this time I'm going to do the 3-finger method. I'm going to apply it 3 times. Do 1 finger, warm it up in my palm, apply. Do the second one, warm it up in my palm, and the third one as well. That's what I'm going to do. If in 15 minutes this doesn't go clear, that's going to be my next option. Also, I think that mineral sunscreens are not for me. Anything that contains zinc oxide or titanium dioxide in a liquid form is not for me because the strength and the time to blend this sunscreen is a lot. It's really a lot, and which is why you notice that I have more chemical sunscreens on the channel as opposed to mineral sunscreens. Maybe if I had to be wearing mineral sunscreens, I have to be wearing it at home, except I'm going out, then I can apply foundation. I think I'm going to also apply foundation on this sunscreen so that you guys can tell or see if it does, wear well under a foundation. So we are, So that's it. 15 good minutes and nothing has changed. I'm going to go wash my face and I'll be back. So I've gone to wash off my face and I decided to zoom in. And yeah, we're going to give this sunscreen another try. So like I said, I'm going to do one finger first, warm it up in my palm, like so. I'm gonna apply it. First application done. Now the second one. Okay, this is the second one. So let's do the third one. This is the third one. So now that I'm done applying the third one, I'm going to give it 15 minutes and see there's going to be a difference. Okay, I forgot. I really forgot to, describe the sunscreen. So the SPF rating for this sunscreen is SPF 50. What type of sunscreen is this? This is a mineral sunscreen, contains zinc oxide at 5%. Because it's mineral sunscreen, any skin type can actually use it. But I recommend this for people who have combination to oily skin and acne prone skin. My skin type is combination to oily skin. Texture and the finish. So this is lightweight on the skin. It is not too thick, not too runny. It's just in the middle. It doesn't leave you greasy. It leaves you matte. And there is a white cast, as you can see. There's a white cast. I recommend this when it's hot or summer, basically. Fragrance. Let's see. This doesn't necessarily have a scent. There's a scent to it, but I can't necessarily describe what it smells like. This sunscreen is alcohol free, fragrance free, and essential oil free. This retails for $4.19 on Walgreens website. It's currently out of stock for shipping, but you can definitely pick this up from any Walgreens stores around you if you're in the US. I think it's also available on Amazon. Links to purchase this will be in the description box. Period of opening is 12 months, of course. You should finish this in 12 months, which is a good space because this is a lot. Peeling or cast. This definitely leaves a white cast on my skin. And however, it's not peeling at all. It's not peeling. It's just there. Any skin reactions? This is my first time trying it out, so I can't really say if I have any skin reactions, but I'll let you guys know in the description box. If you're someone who wants a good and affordable mineral sunscreen, this is a good pick for you because the white cast is something that is manageable and you can actually wear this under a foundation. If you're light skin, I feel like you're going to, scale through with this. I feel like this is going to be a good base for a foundation. I'm going to be doing that in a bit, so give me a second. So guys, I decided to come outside so I can use the natural light to see how I look because in there are lots of lights around me, so yeah. So this is what I look like when I'm outside. Looks not bad. It's wearable, actually, really wearable. Let me come closer a bit. I'm squatting, so there's a cast, but it's bearable, I tell you. Going to see this outside was really good. Like, I should be doing that more often. I really did like how it looked on my skin when I was outside, but the cast has really, gone down a little, but it's still there. It's still there, I think. Is there a difference? Let me know in the comment section. This is one of the most affordable mineral sunscreen that, has this, minimal cast. Going outside just raised the bar for this particular sunscreen. So I want to go in with my foundation now, and I'm going to use the same foundation I used for the Georgina Shades Dry Touch. This is by XX Revolution. This is their full fix foundation, something like that. This foundation is a little darker than I am. I'm a lot lighter. Staying indoors and doing my routine has brought out the best of my skin. I took too much but it will work. Like I said, this is darker than I am, but we move. Looks really good. I really like the finish of this foundation, I must say. Love it. Still do. It's an amazing foundation, but that's not why we're here. So it's really good on a foundation. I like it so much. I think mineral sunscreens are just great on that foundation. My final thought is better than that of the Neutrogena Clear Zinc Dry Touch sunscreen. That's it, guys. That's my review. This doesn't go on clear or on dark skin. If you're dark skin, I'm telling you freely about this. It doesn't go clear on your skin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.